In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this exhaust sleeve clamp on this Volkswagen Beetle. It's located underneath the vehicle between the catalytic converter and the resonator. Let's get into it. The old nuts that are on this sleeve are rotted away and I can't even put a socket on there. This should have been a 15mm socket or a 13mm socket. So you want to use that, take that off, and then we can get the sleeve off. Because these are rusted, I am going to have to cut this off with a cutting wheel. So we'll take this off. I just have to cut the clamps where the clamps are. Then I may have to cut right there. Just knock that out of the way. Just try to slide this down with some channel locks. Just try to separate that. I can just cut right there. I'm just going to take a pry bar, just separate this. Try to bend it out a little bit. You can slide it off the pipe. Slide this forward. And it slides right off right there. You can slide the sleeve over the converter, raise it up, and slide these pipes together. Make sure you push them together as much as possible. Take a 17mm socket. Make sure your muffler is straight as well. We'll tighten these down. Make sure you tighten those down, give it a wiggle. Double check for leaks afterwards. If there is leaks, you want to tighten it a little bit more.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.